Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package, bed utility package, and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we have rear park sensing, tow hitch. We do get a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platformed running board, mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, spotlight, and turn light indicated with a side view camera. We also get a nice black hood deflector with front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior, floor mats, cup holders, 12-volt, USB-Cs at 120, and of course you've got a split folding rear bench seat, which you can lift up for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we do have powered seats. The passenger also gets powered seats as well with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start, spotlights on your mirrors, lights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 85 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle view screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get my view, ship and feel, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, cup holders. It's also collapsible. More storage here with USB, USB-C. We got that leather up center console with more storage underneath. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated front seats with dual climate, a 12-volt and 120. Got storage above and below, storage right here, and we do get a nice powered rear window opener. We also get our park assist, and looking in here we get our audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth, AM, FM, all that jazz, your phone connectivity, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your vehicle settings just right here, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA43685, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.